Walang outside forces. It is just among our colleagues here. I need not tell the whole story because it's already water under the bridge.
But was there any hand of the palace?
No, I don't think so. No. They have nothing to do. They have nothing to do with the change of leadership here in the Senate, as far as I'm concerned. What? To sign? Well, I received a call from Senator Escudero 3 days ago before, 3 days ago. And he wanted to talk to me personally, so I agreed to talk to him. And he intimated to me that he was interested in the Senate presidency. And then, of course, I was asking a lot of questions. And I agreed. Well, alam mo, walang masamang tinapay sa akin si Senator Mix. He is a good friend of mine. Of course, when I made my decision, of course, I feel so heavy. Not literally. Siyempre mabigat din sa aking pakiramdam na tanggalin ng isang kaibigan. Wala naman maapektuhan. It's just a change of leadership. We will always be supportive of the legislative concerns of the palace. As long as it will redound to the benefit of our people, we will always be supportive of it. But rest assured that we will still remain independent as an Senate, as an institution.
How about sa House, sir? What will be your relationship sa House?
Well, I hope our relationship between the Senate and the House of Representatives will be more, kumbaga, mas gaganda yung relasyon ng Senate at House of Representatives.